It's the codes, man.
Codes? You think I'm gonna give codes to two lousy nut jobs? Especially you, you moron. You jammed your gun. Is this your first time?
Man, I know you don't want us to resort to torture tactics now.
Yeah.
Brother, I need you to take 2 steps back. That breath kicking harder than Bruce Lee in the 70s, dog. Besides, there's no amount of torture either one of you imbeciles will be able to do. I've been trained for this. Especially from you, over there built like Yajirobe.
You got jokes. Let's see if you've been exposed to this torture.
We can talk about this. Come on, man. Dude, it's just some codes. No.